В Германии сегодня пришел сильнейший снегопад. Мюнхен парализован, самолет вмерз в полосу, улицы и города завалены снегом. Смотрите.
Munich, Germany. Heavy snowfall caused chaos in parts of southern Germany on Saturday, causing air and rail traffic to be snarled in the Bavarian capital of Munich. Many flights at Munich airport, the second busiest in Germany, were cancelled due to forecasts of 30 to 40 centimeters of snow overnight in Munich. More than 150 flights at this airport were affected. A total of 760 flights were affected, a spokesman told AFP. According to the Weather Service, more than 40 centimeters, 16 inches, of snow fell from Friday night into Saturday. Flights to Berlin, Hamburg, Basel, Stuttgart, Luxembourg, London have also been cancelled. It is expected that up to 40 centimeters of new snow will fall on Friday and Saturday in the Alps, in the Alpine Hills and the south of Lower Bavaria.
The flakes are that big, look at the shadows here. It's like water, isn't it? It's really weird.
Yeah, you're right,
It's really...
Snow is forecast to continue until Saturday, and Munich Airport expects more flight cancellations. Passengers are advised to contact their airline for information on any cancelled flights. Many flights scheduled to arrive and depart early Saturday morning were listed as cancelled on the airport's website. Local media reported numerous traffic accidents and traffic jams on icy roads, with the German Weather Service estimating 30 to 40 centimeters of snow will fall on Saturday evening. Police in Lower Bavaria said they carried out 350 weather-related interventions on Friday night, leaving 5 people with minor injuries in car crashes.
Ой, ебать! На! Ой, пизда! А он и дальше! О, Ариста, бедная моя! Уходи, блядь! Ой, блядь! На! Ебать, пизда всему. Ой, уходи, чувак!
Much of Germany has been hit by snow and freezing temperatures for days. Additionally, many local bus and tram services were also cancelled on Friday night in Munich due to deteriorating road conditions. The city's fire service shared images on social media of firefighters equipping a fire truck with snow chains. The snowy situation also caused traffic chaos in eastern Bavaria. There were around 30 incidents in southern Bavaria. In some cases, roads were blocked by snow or fallen tree branches.
Tenemos que limpiar todo para que salga.
Was cancelled.
In some cases, classes at 2 schools were also cancelled due to bad weather. Cold conditions are expected to persist throughout the weekend due to heavy snowfall. A red alert is in force in Bavaria, and the German Weather Service has issued an official severe weather warning. Snowfall amounts could reach between 30 and 40 centimeters during the warning period, and in some cases could reach 60 centimeters by Saturday evening. The Bundesliga match between Bayern Munich and Union Berlin was also postponed due to heavy snowfall.